All right, we're about to do a cold start on the Dodge. See how it sounds.